started, and I reckon that Łukasz Witkowski is already hoping to get the same result as his colleague from Polish national team. And for now it seems that indeed Łukasz Witkowski is trying and succeeding in recreating Glazunov's victory. Witkowski with a slight lead over Team Bechtold from Germany and Jonathan Jones from Great Britain. But also Quan Chen Li from Taiwan is not to be underestimated. Quite often competitors in the left side, on the left side of the racing track cannot really judge where their opponents from the right side are, which means that Łukasz Witkowski has to guess if he must speed up to not let guys from that right side overtake him. And here we have Pavlo Altukhov from Ukraine, now in the slight lead. Is this lead slight enough for Witkowski to still regain his advantage? Or maybe it is going to be Team Bechtold that gets that victory in this heat number 2. Witkowski, Bechtold and Altukhov. Altukhov, Bechtold and Witkowski. Only 100 meters left to go. This is the final time when they can pick up the speed and hope for the best, and it seems that this is just what Witkowski is doing. But hopefully for him he didn't start that final burst too early, because now Altukhov is trying and he has gotten through that 200 meter lane first. And only now 20-25 seconds left to go. More and more effort is poured into those boats, into those paddles. Pavlo Altukhov from Ukraine in the very slight advantage. Who's going to be first? Who did the correct launch for that final lane?